Hey, come here. I need to talk seriously with you for a little bit. I want to talk about a subject called soil flocculation. Whoa. Look at that right here. Flocculation is a process that involves bringing together microalgae cells by either neutralizing, bridging, or netting them to form larger, denser clumps that can be separated from the liquid medium. This technique can be achieved using chemical, biological, or electroflocculation. We just rely on calcium and magnesium ratios to get your soil to open up. So when you look in the worm bin, you see this pile of vermicompost and it looks like coffee grounds. You see all the pore space? That lets air get in. Air is super important in your soil. They talk about the aerobic zone of soil. So the way you get this in Nevada soils is by using Boost, because we add lots of available calcium to offset our most commonly abundant magnesium. Now, without a soil test, sometimes you can find some magnesium deficient soils, but normally we don't find that. We find lots of potassium and lots of magnesium. We need more available calcium. Your soil flocculates, the air gets down in, and everybody gets happy. And that's what we want, is happy, healthy soil to grow big tomatoes.